Today, it's dry right now, still very gloomy. We have some video from one of our photojournalists, Carl Todhunter. You can see people out at Antrim Park enjoying the dry weather while it's dry. Bikes, oh, that looks like so much fun. It's going to change over the next 12 hours. Madison Reich is in for Maddie Kirker today. There are sort of two waves of this starting early this evening or even earlier.
Yes, into the afternoon. So we're talking in the next 2 or 3 hours, even a few of those showers starting for some spots. Then we've got a second round developing overnight. Some people, only a few, will see this first round. The second round, everybody's gonna see, and that's the one that continues into Saturday morning. So let's get right into it. We're starting off with cloudy skies, but temperatures are nothing to complain about. We've got 72 right now in Columbus, 66 as we look to Delaware, 70 Mount Gilead, 76 in Coshocton, and 75 degrees in Athens. Warmest spot on the map right now looks like Jackson, up to 77. It is likely that spots down to the southeast here do hit 80s for some of us. Columbus going to see a high today of 75. That warmth combined with some humidity means we've got potential for a few of the storms that develop over the next few hours to become severe. What we're looking at right now is a very, very slow moving cold front. It's got us a few showers starting to creep into these areas off to the northwest. It's going to be staying that way. It doesn't really dive to the south just yet, but another round is going to start to develop down to the southwest over the next couple hours, and that's what we start to see here in central Ohio. Now, as we head through the overnight, this cold front does get its act together, and it's going to cross across the entire state, drop temperatures, and that's where everybody gets to see those showers. So our severe weather threat comes from that round that's going to develop within the next little bit. We do have a marginal risk, which just means we could see some of those isolated storms become briefly severe with some gusty winds, some small hail, and definitely some heavy rain. Most totals are going to be around 1 inch to 1.5 inches by the time this system moves out. So let's walk through all this here on your hour-by-hour forecast. Starting off the next hour or two, by 2 o'clock, temperatures in the 70s. Here we go. Got a couple 80s down there. These are definitely going to be the areas where we're more likely to see those stronger storms develop. As we head into 3, 4 o'clock, here we go. A few pop-up thunderstorms beginning to push through. Those are the ones we'll have to keep an eye on through 5, 6. We look a little bit more soggy off to the northwest as our next round of showers pushes in by 8 p.m. And then we've got a little bit of a break before that next round really starts to get its act together. Now by midnight, looking at those widespread showers slowly pushing across the area. So temperatures drop as well into Saturday morning. We're down to the 40s and 50s. We've got widespread heavy rain. Gusty winds, maybe up to 20 to 30 miles per hour through the overnight, and then we're going to be watching those temperatures kind of settle through most of your Saturday. We do start off with rain, and we do end with rain as well on Saturday. It looks like we've got potential for some pop-up showers later in the day and into the evening hours. So when it comes to rain totals, we're looking at anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches associated with this system. Again, some gusty winds, not seeing those just yet, but we will see gusts up to 30 miles per hour overnight and into your Tuesday. Of course, Saturday. We've got temperatures in the upper 50s for tomorrow. As we head into Sunday, we'll be in the 50s, and temperatures are going to be slowly changing after that. No 70s in store. Instead, we're going to be holding on to 50s and 60s. Saturday and Sunday, we slowly start to warm things up into Monday. Tuesday, still holding on to 60s, some sunshine as we head through the rest of next week.